Welcome back, guys. We got another shoe for you to look at and for me to review. We got this Azalea Wang. Ordered it from DSW.
Another Wang from Alexander Wang.
No, it's not that.
This is our first pair of that.
Get another $10. Like I said, this is from their website, DSW. I think that is Gorman black. I got them for $80, and this is in size 6. And they're going to be my work shoes eventually. Since
They're hot.
all my black heels are gone now.
Yeah, all of them are sold.
Okay.
They look pretty good.
Yep.
I like the pointiness.
Yeah, it has a nice style, nice uniqueness of strap and pearls on top to give a detail. Normally they put them over here, and that's when you bump into something and just knock everything off. It's all PU leather and has a little bit of a grip at the bottom for easy peasy walks. It has a nice sleek heel, which convinced me to buy them.
That's that little angled heel.
Yeah,
Just a bit.
just a bit. Let's try them on. It's not my temp to be worn with this, but mind it. The shoe is really nice, other than they unfortunately do not have a good sling back grip, which I'm okay with because this height is a perfect heel for me, even to walk fast. Because this sling back was so not required since it has a
Yeah, it looks pretty loose.
yeah. I may cut it down the road because it's just more annoying than anything else.
Yeah, we can just
Yeah.
let's
Keep it as a mule.
stick it down, or maybe we can cut it.
Yeah, I'll see. It looks bad. And this is the size I normally go with. Still, it does not have a good fitting on it.
Let's put them down and see
Okay.
how are they to walk, because they're not even supporting anything.
Like, how down do you want?
Can you bring it?
To this? It won't
Yeah,
look
it's
good
too
either.
loose for that. Okay,
We
we have to cut it.
Yeah. I don't know if I can twist it around the heel. Just for the sake of wearing it now.
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't go. Like, I had one of the black. More like this. Definitely a comfortable shoe for work. Nice mattish black leather. Not so matte, but it's...
Oh, it's not leather.
Oh, it's not PU leather, sorry. I meant to say PU leather. But with nice detail of pearls to make it look a little classy. Can't wait to wear them.
Okay.
That's it for now. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. See ya.